artist at work. Addie, what are you painting, huh? Ooh. Very intense. Want to see the rest of her paintings? This is just a few of Addie's paintings. They are everywhere and they are so good. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. This is my favorite one. Do do do. See? These are just a few of them, but she is such a good artist. Oh, yes, she is. Always creating. Create, create, create. That's my girl. Get right in there. So good. It's beautiful. She's really in the mode. She's really in the zone right now. It's beautiful. Is this part of the creative process, Addie? All right. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.